In this video, we'll walk you through the process of activating your Telstra Pre-Paid or Post-Paid service quickly and easily. Whether you're setting up a new phone or transferring your existing number, this step-by-step guide will help you get started in no time. Let's dive in. Step 1. Prepare your SIM card and device. Ensure you have your Telstra SIM card, prepaid or postpaid, and a compatible device ready. If you're activating a new phone, make sure the device is unlocked and supports Telstra's network. Step 2. Insert your SIM card. Insert your Telstra SIM card into your device. Power on your device to begin the activation process. Step 3. Access the activation website. Open your preferred browser and go to telstra.com to activate. You may also receive an SMS or email with a link to start the activation. Step 4. Select prepaid or postpaid activation. On the Telstra activation page, select whether you're activating a prepaid or postpaid service. For prepaid, you'll be asked to enter the activation code that came with your SIM card or packaging. For postpaid, you'll need to enter your account details and billing information. Step 5. Provide required information. For prepaid, enter your details, such as your SIM card number, and follow the prompts to choose your plan and top-up method. For postpaid, enter your personal and billing details, select your plan, and review the terms and conditions. Step 6. Confirm your details. Double-check that all your information is correct, including your phone number, plan selection, and billing details. If everything looks good, proceed to the next step. Step 7. Complete activation. Once you've confirmed your details, click Activate. The system will process your request and activate your service. You'll receive a confirmation message or email once your service is activated. This might take a few minutes. Step 8. Restart your device. After activation is complete, restart your device to ensure it's connected to the Telstra network. Step 9. Set up your Telstra account. Optional. For postpaid customers, you may want to set up your Telstra account online for easy management of your services, billing, and more. For prepaid users, you can manage your balance and top-up options through the Telstra app or online portal. Step 10. Start using your service. Once your device restarts and connects to the Telstra network, you're all set. Enjoy your new Telstra service. Troubleshooting tips. If you face any issues during activation, ensure you have a stable internet connection and that your SIM card is inserted correctly. If activation doesn't complete successfully, contact Telstra customer support for further assistance. Conclusion. Now you're ready to start using your Telstra prepaid or postpaid service. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and mobile service tips. Thanks for watching.